Hello everyone! Today we are introducing the LALIZAS foam folding life jacket compact mini SOLAS made approved, the most compact and lightweight foam life jacket manufactured by LALIZAS. This life jacket is specially designed for easy storage in or under seats on vessels where storage space is limited. Its compact design is significantly smaller compared to the LALIZAS compact life jackets and other similar models in the market, making it an exceptional safety solution where space saving is essential. It is SOLAS Med approved, meeting strict international safety standards, ensuring reliable performance in emergency situations. The life jacket is available in two distinct colors: orange, intended for passengers, available in both adult and child sizes; yellow, for crew members, available in adult size only. This color differentiation helps clearly distinguish crew members from passengers during an emergency. This life jacket is also equipped with SOLAS Med approved retroreflective tapes for enhanced visibility in low light or nighttime conditions. An adjustable 40mm strap for secure fit, a 25 crotch strap to prevent the life jacket from riding up, a body line for rescue support, a stir-by lifting loop and a whistle secured with a cord, both vital for signaling and rescue. To wear the LALIZAS foam folding life jacket compact mini correctly, follow these simple steps. Unfold the life jacket completely. Place it over your head, ensuring the foam panels are in front and back of your chest and shoulders. Pull the 40mm waist strap around your body and fasten the buckle. Tighten the waist strap securely by pulling the loose end. Fasten the cross strap by bringing it between your legs and securing it to the buckle underneath the front panel. Adjust for a snug fit. Ensure the whistle and lifting loop are easily accessible. To sum up, for vessels requiring compact, reliable and certified safety equipment, the LALIZAS foam folding life jacket compact mini offers the ideal solution. For more information, please visit our website www.lalizas.com or contact your account manager.